coffee shop kind of. Show me the drink.
Oh, and she is
what's it called?
Tiramisu strata.
Yummy. Coffee stop. So good. Yeah. My name is Corinne. Wait, where's the spelling?
Honestly, it's kind of
it's kind of vibey. It's like
Corinne?
a beachy.
Maybe I'll name my kid that.
No, for real though.
Corinne.
This fit is giving Corinne. Beachy Corinne.
Thanks, guys.
What's up, vlog?
On the way to the beach.
We have coffee.
This is the fit. The ring is the only ring I have.
So good.
She's just a baddie.
The hat. Girl, I want this hat.
Thanks to my brother.
Maybe I'll find some. I want to go to the shops.
I'm so excited for the shops. We got tiramisu lattes and
Salted caramel mocha.
beautiful caramel kicker.
So cute.
They're amazing. And now we have an hour drive and we're going to the beach and it's so exciting.
The shop was the cutest though. It's like a gas station, coffee shop. Cutest thing ever.
So exciting.
You're the fronties.
Oh yeah, the
Charlotte! Hey! What's the vibe with the beach? I cannot see this.
go to the beach. I'm so excited.
Zay! Zay! Hey! No, that's your nickname. Zay.
Yeah. Zay.
That's the only no excuse. What the heck? That is so beautiful.
I'm gonna cry.
So it's like, oh no. Okay, we made it to the beach.
We're at the beach.
Gorge. Say hi.
At the beach. At the beach.
So gorgeous. So freaking gorgeous. Ah! At the beach.
At the beach.
That's the cutest thing ever.
Wait, that's so cute. I feel like I was getting up like somewhat consistent.
Did you catch a wave?
I felt like I was in a dump.
Yes, in the beginning was great,
Nice.
and then the last half an hour I got bitched by waves.
Oh, I felt like
They hang loose. Okay, baddies.
Hey vlog. We are at the beach right now and we've just like been hanging out and chilling and it's freezing cold but it's beautiful.
It's so gorgeous.
And Charlotte and Zai and Rhea are frolicking in the waves.
Swimming now.
I totally would, except my ears are already cold.
Yeah.
And I feel like I would be even colder and get hypothermia if I went in the water right now, so
Yeah, I'm kind of.
That's okay.
I went in, as
She
you can
did?
see from my
She went
shirt.
surfing.
I went surfing.
She's just a baddie like
it was
that.
kind of vibe.
She's a beach girl
I'm
from
excited.
Manitoba.
I'm kind of excited to see the pictures. Probably.
No, real.
I got stuck under the board once, and it was a little bit scary because I was like, which way is out? And I was like, and I was fine. But we're good. We're done.
She
And
survived.
I stood up for
She's-
0.5 of a second, basically.
She's here to tell the tale.
And you know, that's good for the first time ever.
Exactly.
You know.
No, it's perfect. And it's so windy, but it's
exactly.
beautiful. And I'm so happy to be
I love it.
at the beach. And it's like the prettiest thing ever.
It's
and
the
it
cutest
looks like
thing
a
ever.
movie.
No, I know.
So.
Okay, little flick. That's the vibe.
Can you imagine me wearing it?
Yes,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, it was really cool.
I'm sorry. No, you're fine.
What's that say?
okay, so we went to that other beach and then we went up this hill, I don't know what it's called, and then we saw an amazing
went to a
lookout,
viewpoint, and it
which
was
I also
so
have
pretty.
videos of. Awesome. And
Wow,
now we're waiting for the sunset. Look at the sun.
Yeah,
That's the
so
progress so far.
the
Yeah.
progress.
We gotta wait.
But it's so pretty.
We're hoping for a sunset
Yeah.
because it's kind of cloudy.
Yeah, it is.
But
But you know what? It's gonna be cool anyway. And there's surfers out there. They're shredded.
yeah, they're
Shredding
actually
waves.
amazing. 2 weeks and it's gonna be us.
No, for real. I'm so stoked.
Yeah.
Give it till it's sunny and then we'll be pummeled by waves and we'll get it
Hang
eventually.
loose,
Clock
hang
it,
loose.
clock it, clock it.
Okay, we'll keep you posted. Mwah!